In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Godaddy Support. Navigating customer support can sometimes feel daunting, but don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the process with ease and confidence. First and foremost, you'll want to start by heading over to the Godaddy website. Open your web browser and type in godaddy.com. Once you're there, make sure you log into your account. This is an important step because having access to your account will make the support process smoother, allowing the support team to assist you more effectively with any issues related to your specific account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Help. This is your gateway to their support system. Go ahead and click on it. Doing so will bring up a drop-down menu with various options related to customer service and assistance. Now, within this drop-down menu, you'll want to click on Contact Us. This action will take you to the dedicated support page. Here, you'll see a variety of contact options tailored to different needs and preferences. One of the quickest ways to get help is through Godaddy's phone support. On the support page, you'll find a list of phone numbers applicable to your region. Make sure you select the correct one, as calling the right number will ensure you're connected with a representative who can assist with your specific geographic area. The website will display the business hours as well. Keep these hours in mind to avoid calling outside of support times, as this could lead to unnecessary wait times. If you prefer online communication, Godaddy also offers a live chat option. To access the chat, look for the chat icon on the support page. Clicking this will open a window where you can type in any queries or issues you have. Live chat can be a great option if you're in a situation where calling isn't convenient. Just remember to have your account details handy, as the representative might need them to confirm your identity and assist you properly. In addition to phone and chat options, Godaddy provides a comprehensive help center filled with articles on common issues and FAQs. To find these resources, remain on the support page and scroll down to explore the Help Center. This resource is perfect for those who like to troubleshoot independently. Browsing this section can save you time if the answer to your question is right at your fingertips. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to contacting Godaddy Support. Whether you choose to call, chat, or find answers in their help center, these steps should help ensure a stress-free experience. Thank you for joining me today, and best of luck with your Godaddy support journey.